Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today guys, we are making this fluffy or rather soft and fluffy donut stick. They are so fluffy, they are so soft. You can take this as breakfast with a cup of hot tea or cocoa, or you can take it with your chilled drink, and you can make it with for your children as snack when they are going to school. Guys, this is so easy to make. Just sit back and watch as we do this. So guys, for our fluffy donut stick, what we add in the bowl is to add in our warm milk. After adding the warm milk, we now add in the sugar. Then we add in yeast. Add in your egg, just crack an egg. Stir everything to be well combined. So when that is done, or add in nutmeg, stir to combine with the liquid. Then you now add in your flour. We are using 3 cups of flour, but if you want more, you can always adjust. I've already sieved the flour, so don't be worried. You always sieve your flour because of any particles that will be in it. So this is the flour we are adding. Then you now stir everything until they are well combined, because we are trying to form a dough here. At this point, I'll take out my spatula, wash my hand very well, and now use my hand to work. So I'm adding some salt because I forgot to add my salt. After adding the salt, you now stir very well. Pour in some flour on your workstation. Then you pour in the batter. Then you begin to knead. You have to knead very well to get a good result. At this point, you add in your butter and you begin to knead. You need for about 6 to 10 minutes for you to get a good result. You just keep on kneading like this. This is what your mixer will do for you. But if you don't have a mixer, you can use your hand to do this. You have to knead very well until it becomes stretchy, so you can have a good result. So guys, after kneading for 10 minutes, this is what I have. So I'll get in my bowl, rub some butter, then I'll allow it to sit for some minutes, let it rise. So this is the bowl. So I'll drop the dough inside like this, and I'll cover it. Cover it and allow it to rise for the next 30 to 40 minutes. So guys, after 30 minutes, I'm here to check if our dough has doubled in size. Yeah, you see, it has doubled in size. So what we do now is for us to flour our surface, and then we now roll out. While rolling this, you don't have to roll it to be too tiny. It has to be a bit thick. You roll it to be a bit thick because we are still going to leave it to rise again. So I'm done rolling. You can see that it's a bit thick. So I'll just cut into shape so I can cut it into sticks. So behind camera, I already put my parchment paper on a tray so that it doesn't stick. So when I cut it, I'll put it on it, then we'll leave it again to rise more. Adult will enjoy this. Kids will enjoy this too. You can put it in their lunch bag when they are going to school. You can take it with tea as breakfast, or you can snack on it with hot cup of choco or cold cup of any juice of your choice. Can shape this dough to any design you want, but I call mine soft fluffy donut sticks. Just so easy to make. So now I'll get them, put them here like this. If you don't do this, it might stick to the tray when you are trying to take them out. So guys, this is what we have. I'll keep it for another 20 to 30 minutes, let it double in size again before we start frying. So guys, if you have watched me up to this moment, just take your time, hit that subscribe button and follow me. If you haven't, keep liking, keep sharing. I love you all. And guys, this is what we have. So it's now time to go and fry. The oil is already in fire, heating up. So guys, let's go start frying. You know your oil don't have to be too hot. If it's too hot, it's going to be cooked in time without getting cooked inside. And the oil shouldn't be that cold. If it's cold, it will just soak up all the oil. It will soak up oil. So guys, this is what we have here. You have to keep stirring so that both sides are well cooked. If not, one side will be cooked, the other side won't be cooked. You can see that just floating on the oil. If it sinks, that means you didn't get the mixture well. It just has to float like this, and then you keep stirring and until they are golden brown, then you bring them out. At this point, my kitchen is, that is the aroma in my kitchen now. It's so amazing. Can you see how lovely they are? These are my soft and fluffy donut stick. It's so easy to make. You can make this in the comfort of your home. Try it and let me know what you think in the comment section. So guys, they are golden brown now. I will just bring them out so it doesn't get over brown, because when it's out of the fire, it will get brown or more golden. Any English you want to use, please use. So my paper towel is ready. I'll just take them out, put them there, and take out the excess oil. So guys, can't you see our amazing fluffy and soft cinnamon donuts? You can see how fluffy and soft it is inside. It's also yummy. So what you can do, if you want to enjoy it more, what you can do is to sprinkle some sugar, cinnamon, and milk on them if you want them. But if you don't want, you can just take them like this. So I have my sugar there, and milk. Just sprinkle some milk in here. And you have to do this one while it is still hot, because if it gets cold, you might not be able to achieve this. So this is some cinnamon here, just to give it another flavor. So just rub it like this. Not too much. Let it just have a touch of it. Like I said, you have to do this while they are still hot. So you can do some like this and then leave the rest to be taken plain. You can see because it's still hot, it's sticking to it, but if it's cold, it won't stick. It won't stick to it again. So guys, this is what we have. It's so yummy. It's so yummy. Every person will like this, and it's so easy to make. And if you have a blender, it will be much easier for you to make. So guys, thank you for watching. We have come to the end of today's video. I'll see you in my next. Bye bye. Keep liking and keep sharing.